What is up, every person? Welcome lower back to the CoinGraph Marketplace, your private home to your crypto fix. I'm your host, CoinGraph Marketplace. Hopefully one's having an exquisite day. It's Monday, the 27th of January. Where did the month go, folks? Does not it experience love? It changed into just New Year's Day, more than 1 day in the past. We're approximately to give up to February. This is crazy. This year already is starting to fly by way of what I adore it. We realize this is the bull season. We recognize that is the year lifestyles changing profits are going to be made. So allow it zip on with the aid of let us get those income. Let us lock them in. Let us all have a wonderful 2025. I realize all of you awakened this morning before you even got off the bed. You checked crypto and also you were like, oh crap, here we go, we're down, it's awful. You're wondering, are we going to rebound? Is it over? Did we see the top to this bull cycle? Folks, relax, loosen up. We're okay. We are okay here. Just zoom out a touch bit. Take a breath. We're going to be just quality. We're going to cross over on this episode. We're going to communicate approximately XRP. We're going to have a look at Bitcoin chart. How a lot lower can we cross? Is it this correction? We won't call it a correction. Is this a bit of crimson we are seeing inside the markets? Is it over with? China deep are seeking for. What's it all about? Why is anybody freaking out? When in Brad Goldman House drops the closing, remark the last tweet on Twitter, I got you covered. So without similarly ado, sit down back, relax, grab yourself a pleasant warm cup of coffee like I were given. Let's bounce right into a Bitcoin 99,077 hours. It's currently down 5.47% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum coming in at 3,061. It's down 7.39% XRP. It's down 10.5% Oldsters. Holy coming in at an average lean 1,079 cents. So Lana's taking the thrashing. It is down 11%. Doge is down 11%. Cardano is down 10%. Chain Hyperlinks down 11%. AVAX, you get it. The whole marketplace is down. That is K. That is okay, parents. Total cryptocurrency markup 3,343 billion. Look, this is all gambling into the precise narrative. We've been talking approximately on this channel. They want to put off the longs and liquidate them, what they're doing now, bringing the markets backtrack. And then what do? They carry the markets back up immediately, so they liquidate the longs. And I instructed you, I trust this is the week or the primary week of February while we start to see Bitcoin accelerate and arise into that $115,000 to $125,000 range. This is the precise ideal setup we are searching out. And if you appearance, all of this purple, Bitcoin remains hovering around 100K, which is the remaining bullish signal. Once it breaks above, and it is just hovering there. We're not into the low 90s. We're right round at $100,000 mark. XRP is conserving 272 like a champ. We gave you the goals on the channel, 272 on the bottom, 4 or 3, 140 on the pinnacle. What do? I assume moving forward, it's quite simple. I count on a rebound. This is bull season. This is Bitcoin season. Bitcoin is going to upward push. It goes to seize lots of liquidity. However, it's also going to help a whole lot of these different belongings upward push as Bitcoin rises with the aid of itself. They are shaking you up. They are stirring the pot. They are trying to get you afraid. They are seeking to get you to liquid. They do not fall for it. Okay, right, here's the more P chart, okay? On this red, we tell you is whilst we see a price reversal, we had been striking out in that pink for almost 2 weeks. We had right here on the everyday of bearish engulfing. That's great, bearish. Consequently, the name which means the price goes to come back down. Right here, you move, we depraved all of the mana down as little as 264. It looks as if 266, name it 266, the bottom of that candle, sitting around 278, wherein we are now, your guide is sitting at that 272-degree resistance. I mean, you realize in that 290, 291, after which closer to the top for the opposite place of resistance turned into sitting exactly at 340. That is the chart, the most effective chart you need to be searching at. Yeah, we simply had a barracks engulfing. We're on the mana now. Don't fear approximately the 4-hour be aware of the day by day and monthly. That is going to inform us wherein we're going to pass. So what am I searching out, XRP? Simple. Let's just maintain above 272. If we are able to preserve above 272, we're going to keep off up. We're going to check that 290-ish place once more, which wasn't a large ache inside the butt. As you may see, we had that big inexperienced candle that took us right through last time. Once we get again above there, we're going to go lower back and pass after that 340 range, and it's time to break out and get to that $4 sector. When is this taking place? Simple closer to the end of Q1. It might spell over to the start, the first couple of weeks of Q2. But this is the plan. That's the actual plan. I have been talking approximately on this channel $4 to $5 through the stop of Q1, beginning of Q2, and then we see the correction around tax season. Nothing is modified. And in case you simply zoom out a touch bit on this component, let's go to A. Let's see if we are able to do some 3-week motion. I imply, observe this, this is November, just look out. So we had a bit hiccup in the street and we're sitting right about here proper, sitting about right here with my little pencil. So we had this wick which changed into a wick and now we've a bit. Right there, it is where we are sitting. This is a bullish shape. Look at these candles. I told you what is going up need to come down. So it's coming down a tad bit. Folks, in November, we have been 50 cents. That's 2 months in the past. 2 months in the past, we have been 50 cents for 2.078 cents. Do not be afraid. Do not be scared. This is AK. Where's Bitcoin going? Well, it is quite simple. First location, first order to have a look at. Right here, the 598K, that's what we're looking for. 98 breaks, we were given 96. We were given quite a few assists for Bitcoin in the course of this whole $90,000 place. I've advised you, the ones of you who have been paying attention to this channel for pretty some time, I made the prediction months in the past. Bitcoin isn't always losing returned underneath $90,000. It's now not taking place. We are looking for that push up on Bitcoin, which I do agree with is coming both this week or next week. That's the precise playbook I've been speaking about, the exact playbook I've been searching at. They are seeking to get you afraid before they ship these markets back up, before they shoot them lower back to the moon. And that's precisely what they may be doing. Everyone on social media is freaking out. Everyone is going nuts. This is okay. XRP 272. I count on it to have its rebound soon. I anticipate Bitcoin to have its rebound quickly. The breakout is coming. They are doing what they need to do. They are liquidating all of the longs. The whole market became installation for lengthy. Everyone was terrific bullish with Trump coming in. I informed you just ultimate week how this changed into going to play out. They were going to have one final session to do away with the longs that were set. That's precisely what they just did. They liquidate them, they get them all out. Once all of these longs are eliminated, they send the charges proper again up, so humans are not capable of getting again into the market. They charge them out. That is what we're seeing. That is how this is playing out. And then top all of it off, Brad Garlinghouse, after all the Bitcoin crying and moaning and their assaults on Ripple, on XRP, how XRP is a meme coin. Parents, they may be so terrified of XRP. It's almost laughable at this point. You're seeing human beings pop out of the woodworks. There are over 3,000 one-of-a-kind cryptocurrencies obtainable. Why are they now not